Thank you for tuning in. On today's episode, we have a B2B. It's suspected to be a bad HDMI port, but it's pretty dirty. We're going to clean it as well. Quite a bit of chunkies everywhere. We will take care of that, and in the power supply unit right there. We're going to take care of all that as well. This frickin' liquid metal displacement's out of control. Big old spot. See that big old black spot? And unfortunately, the heatsink is no better. So sure enough, there was 3 pins not even making a connection at all, completely disconnected from the board. It doesn't look like there's any grip pads, luckily, so that's a good thing. We will find out momentarily, of course, but let's go ahead and dig in. Sorry about that. Alright, luckily no torn pads. We're back in action. Let it do its little reboot thing. Anyhow, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment if you like what you see. Be sure to subscribe, as well as smash that bell notification so you do not miss any new videos. Thanks for dropping in.